looking at the objective in this case, I want to take these CAD lines that I've created using a CAD spline, and I want to convert them into my power lines. When drawing in 3D, there's numerous options available to you. Some may prefer to use a different option to what I'm explaining. If you've never done it before, this will help you. I need to obtain the elevation of the start and end point of the spline. So in that case, I'm going to go to View, Split View, Vertical. On the left hand side, I've just made it active. I'm going to go to View Axis and select the front view. And I'm going to zoom into one of the posts. On the right hand side, as you can see indicated by the symbol, we're looking at the top view. Now to obtain the elevation, I'm going to make the front view active. I'm going to go to my drawing plane and select drawing plane current view. As I go and move my cursor in the front view, looking at the bottom at the coordinate, we've got a Z value. So as I place my cursor close to the start of that cable, I'm then going to press J. So there I can obtain my Z coordinate. If you look at the top view, you can see X indicating my last fixed point. If I select the top view and make that active, again make that the current view, press X, there I can obtain my XY coordinates. Using those coordinates, I'm going to go and put in a CAD sphere to indicate that point on my electrical post. I go to my CAD mode, go to Draw, Mesh Solids, Sphere, and then press X again, so it jumps to that point, and then I'm then going to press U on my keyboard. I've already got the correct XY coordinates. Now I can simply go and type in the Z coordinate. Enter. Right click and quit. And that is how you obtain your position for the spline. I've already drawn in the spline and exploded it. So if I go and select a portion of it, then I can go to Edit, select Same, Layer, and that would then go and select the entire spline. Changing my views, going back to View, Join Views, and selecting the top view. Having the spline selected, I can go to my properties and check that I'm on the layer called Electric Spline. Going back to the crossing services and import GUI. I'm only concerned about two layers here. The destination layer we'll call power line. Link names I'm going to make none. So I'm going to go and put in the bracket next to the letter N for none. Invert levels, same thing. The links will be the electric spline. Link type I'm going to make none. And diameters I'm going to make none. Civil Designer does the conversion. If I go back to Tools, Crossing Services Editor, at the bottom now we've got the power line option. If you want to, you can go and make changes. As an example, I'm going to go and put in a diameter here. I'm also going to copy that, go and select the additional cells below that. When I get to the bottom, I'm going to use my mouse wheel and then right click and paste. Going back to my CAD layers, selecting services, and turning off electrical spline. If we were to now go and render this, changing my zoom view, and looking at the result with our culvert in the background.